Madrid is my city. Do you want to know why I love Madrid? I will tell you, so let's get to it. For its art, around 50 museums in downtown, some famous in the whole world.
Others not so much, but worth to be visited, to enjoy an intimate artistic experience. Madrid has the landscape of light and UNESCO World Heritage Site. The monumental Madrid is impressive and in very good shape. Renaissance, neoclassic, eclectic, modernist architecture.
Madrid is the European capital with the largest number of public parks and gardens in Europe. Do you like to eat? In Madrid downtown, you will have the food of all 17 regions of Spain and cozy restaurants of innovative cuisine. Yes, Madrid is a heaven for foodies. You will love to stroll in Madrid's neighborhood. We have 21, all charming with a different ambience. Are you ready to tour with us, Madrid?